Hi, my name is Anastasia Hellqvist, and this is my new song, The Chirping Birds. The birds are chirping, and here I am sitting. The birds are chirping this beautiful day. But now I'm gonna go. You are excluding me, and I ain't gonna stay. You think you can treat me any way you want. I'm saying goodbye and good luck. I am dreaming me away to our own love fairy tale. And I remember how you spoke. I thought it will not be like before, but you betrayed me and my heart has closed its door. And now I'm gonna go. You are excluding me, and I ain't gonna stay. You think you can treat me any way you want. I'm saying goodbye and good luck. Yeah, of course, we can all make mistakes, but my heart has reached the limit. Now I'm gonna go. You are excluding me, and I ain't gonna stay. You think you can treat me any way you want. I'm saying goodbye and good luck. The chirping birds